good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gunawan. I am from Group 1 as the moderator of our group presentation. Our group consists of 7 members. So here we will present our material with the title of interview from the data collection analysis. We will start the material and my friend will deliver it first. Let's get started.
The definition of an interview is divided into two, namely, according to Creswell, 2012, an interview is a question and answer process by researchers to obtain information. And according to Cohen et al., 2018, an interview is a conversation to collect data from respondents.
Purpose of interview in research. Learn about participant experience and opinions, understand their meaning and perspective on the phenomenon, identify influencing social and cultural context, identify key themes from the data, confirm or extend the finding of other studies.
Okay, next is types of interview. The first is the structured interview. This is the most strikeable where every participant is asked to exact the same question in the same order. The goal is to maintain data consistency. Second is the semi-structured interview. This is upper act a middle ground. We have got of core questions, but the interview has the freedom to dig deeper or ask follow-up question based on the participant response. And the last, the unstructured interview. This is the most flexible type and resembles a natural conversation. The discussion to flow organically. For the next example, the type of interview will be explained by HR. There are three main types of interviews. The first, structured and unstructured and semi-structured. A structured interview uses fixed questions with limit answer. For example, yes or no or multiple choice. And unstructured interviews broadly. And the last, a semi-structured interview mixed both. Using prepare questions but allowing follow-up questions for more flexible exploration.
Interview procedure preparation. The first determine purpose of the interview, preparing the questions, like interview and explain.
Okay, the next is interview implementation, such as building a comfortable atmosphere. This is create a relaxed and friendly respondent so that respondent feel open and honest. And two is asking question. This is provide prefer question with clear language. And then active listening. This is listen actively and interest to encourage respondent to share more information. And then ending the interview, this is a say thank you for respondent, and then summarize the key point discussed. Okay.
Okay, the last step from interview procedure, there is post-interview. After the interview is done, there are important things to do to understand the information you got. First is note taking. Right after the interview, write down all the important things you remember. This includes your impression of the person you interviewed, interesting points, or things you might forget if you don't write them down. And the second is transcribing data. So change the audio or video recording of the interview into text and write down everything that was said word by word for word. and this is make it easier to analyze what was discussed. And the third is analyzing data. Read the interview transcripts carefully, look for patterns, themes, or things that come up often. The goal is to answer the research question or the interview's goals. And the last one is preparing a report. Make a report that has the result of the data analysis, explain the important terms, examples from the interviews, and your conclusion. So the report should be clear and easy to understand. That's all from me.
Okay, now we are going to have a question and answer sessions. If you have any questions, just let us know.
Okay, my name is Johanna Romana.
Johanna.
Alright. I want to ask about what is the fundamental difference in purpose between the preparation and post-interview stage of the interview procedure.
Okay, Johanna, for your question. Anyone else?
Tes. Hello.
There's Adi. Yeah.
Okay,
Hello, my name is Adi. So I wanna ask you, if a researchers want to conduct a highly exploratory interview that for your guest, the participant on story, which type of interview should they choose and why? Thank you.
Okay, please wait the answer for the answer. Because my
Okay, thank you for the question, and let me answer the questions, Johanna's questions.
Okay.
The preparation stage focuses on defining the purpose and setting up logistic, like questions and respondents. The post-interview stage focuses on converting raw data into findings through transcription and analysis.
Okay, thank you,
you.
Chef, for you tell the answer.
Oh, Johanna,
Okay.
yes. Okay, for the next one, the second question from Adi, which type and why? So I'm gonna answer. The answer is they should choose an unstructured interview. It is because the type is highly flexible and start with a general question to allow the conversation to develop freely and focusing on the respondent's perspective.
Okay, thank you, Mutia, for your answer. Will give the answer. Now I will continue in the conclusion. Interview are a great way to gain information and understand different points of view. Interview are a way to understand and experience interpretation and key three types: structure, semi-structure, and unstructured. The process is pretty straightforward. You define the purpose, choose the respondent, and then you execute the interview. After that, you do the post-interview tasks like taking notes, transcribing the interview, analyzing the data, and reporting the result. Okay, thank you for the time.
Thank you for all the participants that's joining our Zoom today. And yeah, we see you again in the next class.
Okay,
Thank
see you
you.
next time.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.